I'm gonna show you how with one tool you can make $10,000 a month with something you're actually already passionate about. Stay tuned. What's up, y'all? It's your boy TunedinTony, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make 10K and make consistent sales with digital products by using just a sales funnel. If you've been searching for a proven strategy to boost your digital product sales, whether you're an online coach, you want to sell a program or a service, or you simply just want people to go to your website and buy, you're in the right place. So check it out. Today we're diving into the powerful world of sales funnels and how they can be your secret weapon to financial success. Trust me, y'all. So to kick things off, let's clarify what a sales funnel is. Simply think of a sales funnel as a step-by-step process designed to guide potential customers through a series of stages, ultimately leading them to make a purchase on a customized web page. So I like to say, let's think of it like a journey where you're going to nurture leads and build trust until they're ready to commit, just like you do when you buy everyday things. Now, why is this so effective, you ask? Why I want to tell you guys the exact reason why sales funnels work. And the reason why they work is because they focus on building relationships with your audience. Instead of bombarding people with hard sales, you're providing value at each and every stage. And what this does is it creates more of an engaged and trusting audience, making them more likely to convert into paying customers. And that is what you want, right? So one of the best tools that you can implement is my favorite funnel, and this is called a video sales letter funnel. This is going to give your leads an in-depth breakdown of why they should make a purchase with you today or book a phone call. And then it gives them that final push to have confidence to purchase. Stay tuned to the end of this video for a special tip of how I can guarantee you results, just like I've done with countless clients that have walked across the stage with Russell Brunson to get that 2 comma cup plaque, and some of them to get even the X plaque. So let's talk about the stages of a sales funnel. And I'm gonna break down, guys, like the typical stages that you see. So just like a normal customer journey when you buy something on Amazon or walk into the mall, first, there's the awareness stage where potential customers become aware of your product, and you can get that initial interaction off ads and content that you run, driving them to the link, in your bio or the link that you have in your call to action post. Now that they're on this page, we're now moving into what we call the interest stage, where you capture their attention. And this is why the header and the design of your funnel is so important. And when I say header, I mean line is super important. Hit pain points and provide some sort of the solution that you're going to be teaching them about. So now you need that wow factor so that they can keep interest. So make sure it doesn't look spammy, and that's where I came in with funnels, is to give them that traditional, not say traditional, that out of box, but that customer reputation that makes it look trustworthy versus old school, blocky, spammy funnels, right? You don't want it to look like they're about to get a virus when they go to the next page. Your design needs to be seamless and clean so they can build trust. So the next phase is the decision phase, right? So this is where you're going to showcase the value of your product, and that's where the VSL, aka the video sales letter, comes in. This final video to showcase the features that they'll get. It'll show testimonials and the results from other users, which we like to call social proof, and builds confidence that you have behind the product and that they know that their money will not be wasted. So now there's the action stage, guys, and this is where they're either going to book a phone call or make the purchase, and this is where you bag them, or at least we like to say this is where you close them and then deliver the product. So in a funnel, guys, each stage is crucial in optimizing so that you can significantly impact your sales retention rate when they go through this funnel. And that's why a funnel is better than a website, because it's a customer journey through each phase, unlike normal websites. So now let's talk about building your dream sales funnel, right? So it starts with understanding who your target audience is. You got to know who you're selling to, who they are, what problems do they have, and the product that you can solve. And once you've nailed that down, creating compelling content at each stage of the funnel is vital. So I want you guys to use social media, email marketing to guide your audience seamlessly through this process. And what I like to call is all pistons firing. You need every single medium that makes sense for your business to be working together. Not just ads, not just organic, not just email, all together. Now the next phase is where my favorite phase. Automation and optimization. So automation is another key aspect of successful sales funnel, guys. Basically, you want this to work for you so that you don't always have to show up, right? So we want to use tools like the BizLaunch.io CRM, where we can have email autoresponders, marketing automations to streamline this process. So if you're on vacation, sleep, or away, this funnel is still working for you. So this allows you to focus on growing your business while the funnel works the magic. And don't forget about the optimization, guys. So regularly we analyze the data that we're going to get from the stats and business calling that we're going to get from the stats, and then we're going to use the tools and systems to set up a super important stage and making sure that everything runs smoothly, because when one thing's not working, that throws it off. So platforms that I would suggest in order to do this is Go High Level or ClickFunnels. You can use BizLaunch.io for Go High Level, or you can use ClickFunnels. But what I actually like to do, guys, is use ClickFunnels for the funnel and build all the automations in the back end on Go High Level. So now that you have that, you can start building out your platforms and find other tools to integrate if you want to use Zapier, depending on what your business has going on. So now that we've talked about all of that, let's talk about how to implement your sales funnel so you can use it, right? So are you ready to learn this one? I think so. So the way we start using this is we start by mapping out the customer journey. Another great tool to use is Giru for this, or Funnelytics, but I prefer Giru when mapping out this, and it helps me to create compelling content in each stage of the funnel so I can make sure I deliver an experience when I get a new lead that comes to one of the funnels that I personally use or build for my clients, right? So there's various platforms and softwares available that you can use, to just get that consistent flow that align with your company's efforts. And it may take time before you make that first sale, but guys, consistency is key. And every 2 Comma Club client that I worked with started from zero, just like you're going to. So don't feel bad about that. And it only takes one video or one ad to blow up your business and have that. With me, I had one big client that blew up my entire business, that gave me the notoriety that helped me deliver for other big name clients, right? So let's talk about the lead magnet. So case studies, giving away different things, right? And I also want to show you guys, a real world example. So here's a funnel that I built with a big client of mine named Him 500, and I want to show you a quick breakdown of what we did. And the strategy with this was he was having a tour, right? But the tickets were for sale on Ticketmaster. Well, that's outside of the funnel, but the goal was, how do we retain the name, phone number, email so that this client owned his list? So I want to show you guys this quick breakdown right quick. All right, the Him 500 recession-proof legacy tour was one of my favorite funnels as well, due to the fact of the colors, the design, how it all came together. Marcus hit me up and said, I need the best to work on this, and literally we had like less than 48 hours to complete it. But when you look at this funnel right here for his tour, not only are the graphics super exciting, to look at with EYL University and everything like that, but really this is a lead magnet funnel, guys, right? Because when you click right here, you have to opt in order to get the ticket information to buy. So let's say someone else is scrolling. They're like, oh, I'm gonna go to Michigan, DMV. And we designed all the tickets specifically so that that avatar could say, I want this city. So I'm from Tennessee. So when I click this and I enter in my information, look what happens. It takes me to a landing page that is not even in ClickFunnels, but the solution that we had to provide was, how do we build a funnel that still gets the leads, the name, the phone number, and the email, but can take them to a Ticketmaster or a different site like that. So that's exactly what we accomplished on the Legacy Recession Proof Tour. So love this funnel, frame it in the office, but I just want to show you guys the breakdown and the strategy of how to get the lead even when using an external site like this when selling tickets. All right, guys. So now that you just saw that funnel, was it lit or was it not? So let's talk about overcoming common challenges. So of course it's essential to address common challenges, and that's one of the obstacles many people face is this fear of just being salesy, right? And that's one of those main fears that you go through when you first start coaching. But remember guys, a well-crafted sales funnel is about providing value and solving problems, not get rich quick schemes, not gimmicks. It's about pushing your product at every single page, and authenticity is key guys, especially when you work with me. I want to make sure that you give value out. So another common objection that you face is trust. The trust factor between you and the customer when it comes to spam and fulfillment issues. So this ties into why you need a clean and pristine funnel to build trust so that you can get this sale, and one when you get this sale has the systems and tools to deliver the product without any hiccups guys. So as we wrap this up, final tips and takeaways is I want to just go over some things. First, continuously optimize your funnel. The day you get your funnel is not the day that your funnel will be perfect. You're going to get data and you got to optimize based on that feedback. Second, stay engaged with your audience through social media and email. And lastly, be patient for the results. We all want things to happen overnight, but with dedication and strategic planning, I guarantee that you can reach 10,000 a month. I remember when my goal was 10,000 a month, and now we're at $100,000. Need to do more. You know, before we end the video guys, I just want to share with you guys a quick tip that may be helpful for your funnel to be more effective if implemented at all the previous steps correctly. So use a video sales letter funnel at the beginning, and the reason why with this tip is because if you're thinking about doing a webinar, which we build webinar funnels all the time, they're just very expensive. So if you're, and the reason why is because you have to spend so much money in ads to get traffic there versus giving people the information on demand when they're hot and ready for it. So I suggest you try a video sales letter funnel for your business to one, get more leads, but two, get more booked calls for your business. And especially if you're selling hot ticket, the video sales letter is a game changer. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.